Hi guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you're hungry and ready to eat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my soft and flaky roti skin or chapati. In a mixing bowl, we're going to start off with 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon salt, half cup of water, and 1/4 cup of oil. So as you guys can see, it's very little ingredients for a very delicious recipe. It honestly does not take much. So we have our salt and sugar, our oil, water, and flour. Also, you can feel free to use a bigger mixing bowl. I was being very ambitious at this point. So now I'm combining my wet into my dry ingredients to start the process of kneading my flour into a dough. I'm starting off with a spoon to help incorporate my wet and dry ingredients. You can feel free to start off with your hand, but again, I'm using a very small mixing container. Now you're going to turn your half mixed dough out onto a clean surface and knead for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until everything is well incorporated, well kneaded together, and your dough has a soft, springy feel. Okay guys, so we have here 4 dough balls. That's how much I was able to get from the one large amount of dough, because I wanted to be able to get decent size roti skins so that I would be able to wrap my dish that I'm going to make with the roti skins. So you can feel free to make whatever size skins you want. It's all about preference. One tip to ensuring that your disc goes out evenly without sticking, without ripping, is to always ensure that you have ample amount of flour on both sides of your disc. That ensures that your rolling pin or your bottle or whatever tool you so choose to use glides effortlessly across your disc. And of course, just before you add your disc to your pan, you want to dust off all the excess flour, because that can cause your roti skin to burn. Okay, so I have transferred my disc into a heated pan and we're just gonna let it cook. Now you want to oil your dough on both sides. This is going to ensure that you end up with a soft roti skin. At the first sign of these little bubbles that you see on the screen, make sure that you flip your roti skin, because you don't want to overcook it. So you're going to allow the bubbles to guide you. As you see the bubbles start popping up, you flip. The bubbles start popping up, you flip. Now please don't laugh at me. I do not have a brush, so I'm just using what I have at hand, and it happens to be this plastic cap. Yes, so you're going to allow your roti skin to cook for about a minute. That's going to ensure that your roti skin is not overcooked and it's not raw. It's as simple as that. That's all I can say. Okay, so once you start seeing these toasty bits on your roti skin, that means that you are almost finished. You just want the other side to gather a little bit of toastiness as well, and that's all it takes. You're done and you're ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I'm not a professional chef. I just love being in the kitchen and sharing my recipes with others. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share the video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another bite-sized video. Mwah!